Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a brownies cake. First of all, prepare a baking sheet and then spread margarine. Then cover with parchment paper so that it does not stick the pan. Then prepare the ingredients. Number 1 is 9 tablespoons flour. Number 2 is 3 eggs. Number 3 is 5 tablespoons cocoa powder. Number 4 is 10 tablespoons margarine. Number 5 is 150 grams of dark chocolate. Number 6 is 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. Number 7 is 1 teaspoon baking powder. Number 8 is 1 teaspoon cake emulsifier. And then number 9 is melted dark chocolate with margarine. Next, prepare a container or basin. Break 3 eggs and then add the sugar, vanilla powder, cake emulsifier, and then mix her until smooth for about 2 minutes.
Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never.
Then mix the flour with cocoa powder and baking powder and mix well.
I know it's dumb. I still
Then mix well. Mix into the eggs little by little.
on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave us?
After it's well mixed, turn off the mixer. Then add the melted dark chocolate with margarine using a spatula.
Why did she go?
Put the dough into the pan.
Whoa. Why did she go?
Beat the pan so that the dough is evenly distributed.
Was I supposed to know that she'd leave?
After that, then put in the pan and steam for 30 minutes.
Just tell me, why did she go?
And remove, then serve. Brownies cake a la Farah is complete.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who
It's
cut
so
me deep.
sweet. Okay, a really good cake to eat when you're tired.
Alone
And thank you for watching this video.
feels
Ta-ta.
just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one?